Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a peacock tail pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for numerical operations such as generating arrays and applying mathematical functions, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the peacock tail pattern. And now we'll define the number of points. So this sets the number of points to 5000, meaning the pattern will be composed of 5000 points. A higher n creates a smoother and more detailed pattern. So now we'll generate angular and radial coordinates. So this creates an array of n values from 0 to 12 pi, that is multiple full circular rotations, and the linspace function ensures a smooth transition of angles, creating a spiral effect. So here in this line, np.linspace generates a gradual outward movement from the center, where 0.2 into linspace adds a wave-like variation to the radial distance, creating a feather-like oscillation. And now we'll convert polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates. So this converts the polar coordinates r theta to Cartesian coordinate x and y, which are required for plotting in matplotlib. So here the transition uses x is equals to r cos theta, means it determines the horizontal point, and y is equals to r sin theta, this determines the vertical positions. And now we'll assign the color to the points. So this generates a gradient of values from 0 to 1, which will later be mapped to a color map, and this helps create a smooth color transition in the final pattern. So now we'll create the plot. So this will create a figure with a square aspect ratio of 8 into 8 inches to ensure the spiral appears circular and not stretched. So this uses a scatter to plot the generated xy point, where c is equals to color, which colors the point using the gradient values generated earlier, and cmap is equals to viridis. This uses the viridis color map, which transitions smoothly from dark blue to bright yellow color, and s is equals to 2. This sets the size of each point to 2 pixels for fine details, and alpha is equals to 0.8. This makes the points slightly transparent to enhance the blending effect. Now we'll add the formatting to the plot. So this removes access for a clean and aesthetic visualization. So this adds a title to the plot. Which adds the font size to 14, which is a medium sized text, and font width is bold, which is a bold text, and color is in dark blue text color. And at last, now we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we can check this. So we can see a peacock tail pattern. So thanks for watching this video.